Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow Echinacea from seed. First, select a sunny location with well-draining soil for your plants. Begin by sowing your Echinacea seeds indoors, ideally 6 to 8 weeks before your region's last expected frost. Make sure to use a high-quality seed starting mix in your trays or small pots. This early start gives your seedlings the best chance to establish strong roots before moving outside. Prepare for a beautiful display of flowers. Once you've prepared your pots, lightly cover the seeds with a thin layer of vermiculite or fine soil. For successful germination, it's crucial to maintain a consistent temperature, ideally between 18 and 21 degrees Celsius. Keep the soil consistently moist, but be careful not to overwater, as this can lead to damping off or rot. Patience is key during this stage. Germination can take a few weeks, so keep an eye on your developing seedlings. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like it. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book that offers clear, actionable advice. You can find the link to this book and other great deals in the video description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Before transplanting your young Echinacea plants outdoors, remember to harden them off. This process, lasting 7 to 10 days, gradually acclimates them to outdoor conditions. Once the danger of frost has completely passed, you can plant your seedlings in their permanent outdoor spots. Ensure you space them about 30 to 45 centimeters apart to allow for proper air circulation and growth. With good care, your Echinacea will thrive and produce lovely blooms.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.